Ever wondered why some people seem to defy the aging process, looking radiant and youthful far beyond their years? We spend a lot of time thinking about what to put on our skin, inundated with the newest creams, serums and fountain of youth gimmick. But the secret could be as simple as the food we eat. Here are the top 9 anti-aging fruits and veggies that promote healthy, radiant, ageless beauty from within. First, avocados. These creamy green fruits are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that help to moisturize the skin from the inside out, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next, blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals, which are partly responsible for aging and disease. Pomegranates. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, which helps guard the skin from the harmful effects of sun damage. Moreover, its potent antioxidants combat inflammation and promote collagen production for a firmer, youthful skin. Fourthly, don't overlook spinach. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K, all of which help keep your skin healthy and glowing. Moving on, we have bell peppers. These colourful veggies are a great source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A and vitamin C, both crucial for skin health and anti-aging benefits. Next, the humble broccoli. This veggie is not only rich in vitamin C and K, but also contains a compound called sulforaphane that boasts some powerful anti-aging properties. Seventh, sweet potatoes. These are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which acts as a natural sunblock and may protect your skin from sun damage. Number 8, we have watermelon. This juicy fruit is high in vitamins A and C, which are vital for skin health and also helps to keep the body hydrated. Last, we have the papaya. This tropical fruit is rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that may improve your skin's elasticity and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, you may be able to skip that newest skin health craze, as the secret to ageless beauty might just be in your kitchen. Avocados, blueberries, pomegranates, spinach, bell peppers, broccoli, sweet potatoes, watermelon and papaya all contain vital nutrients, antioxidants and vitamins that promote a healthy, radiant and youthful skin. So save this video for the next time you're at the grocery store and make sure to stock up on these anti-aging champions. The journey to a radiant, ageless beauty starts from within.